Introducing a highly requested feature on Kit Builder for BigCommerce, interactive kits. It's now possible to use products that have variants as kit components in Kit Builder. This allows your customers to choose different product options within kits. Let's take a look how it works. These 4 products will be used as components in the kit Valentine's Platinum Kit. The balloon set and card are simple products in BigCommerce. However, the roses and box of chocolates both have options configured. The roses come in 3 colors, and the chocolates come in sizes of 12 or 24 chocolates. Let's look at the chocolates. You can see that the size has been configured as a rectangle list with the 2 options 12 or 24 chocolates, and the resulting SKUs chocolates 12 and chocolates 24. Now within Kit Builder, we'll set the components of the kit. You can see that I've already added them here, and as soon as the components have been added and saved, Kit Builder will then update the BigCommerce kit product with the resulting variants. Because there are 2 different options for chocolates and 3 for roses, 2 times 3 is 6 possible combinations. You can see that Kit Builder has created a new product variant for each of the 6 different combinations, including a SKU that's concatenated with the SKU of the kit, followed by the SKUs and options of each of the components. You can leave the default price for each resulting variant, or you can set a customized price for each variant. As customers add these to your cart and check out, you have the same 3 options as before in terms of how the order data is displayed in the backend of BigCommerce. Components can either not be shown, or they can be shown broken out from the kit product with $0 prices, or broken out from the kit product with weighted prices. Here's an example of not showing the components. You can see that they're only displayed within the kit SKU, but that the options for each of the components that has options are shown as separate line items for easy readability. If we instead choose the broken out kit options, you can see in parentheses the concatenated kit SKU, but then the roses SKU and the options following. Once you look at these a few times, they're very simple to understand. This interactive kits feature is only available on the Platinum subscription plan with unlimited kits. We hope you enjoy the feature.